Ask you this because just you said like it's not Hyderabad. Is it an election tactic that because Dayanidhi Maran has connections with Sunrisers Hyderabad, you are supporting CSK, or like it's truly from your heart?
I have not been wearing this every other day. Today is match day. Today is match day. Today Chennai is playing, and I told you, in spirit, we are supporting the team, so we are just sporting the jersey.
And like there's one more question. The Chief Minister has given an exclusive interview to India Today, and he says that like every time the more Modi comes to, the Prime Minister Modi comes to Tamil Nadu, it is actually becoming positive for like DMK and its alliance because he is lying and the people know the truth.
He's a little confused right now. I really would advise him to take some good rest and not strain himself. I wish him good luck. He's a chief minister. He's confused that he's talking about Rahul Gandhi because wherever Rahul Gandhi goes, BJP ends up winning there. Wherever Prime Minister goes, BJP ends up winning there. So Modi is coming to Tamil Nadu and he's going to cause a very big upset for DMK and he's going to cause a massive victory for BJP in the coming up elections.
The Chief Minister also said that
We are here to fight for Chennai and we are here to win for Chennai. But actions need to speak louder than your words. You have only words, no actions. What did you do after becoming an MP of this constituency? How many times have you come around here? How many streets have you visited? Because I've been asking every person who I see, have you seen an MP after election? No one has told me yes. Today people are frustrated. Today people are not allowing him to come to several areas. He only drives through main roads and keep going. He cannot come into the lanes.
From ideology battle, it turned into identity battle again. Now it is a battle of IPL. The candidate for BJP now is wearing CSK along with his members of BJP over here. Why are you wearing CSK team?
We are Chennai and we represent Chennai. And today we have the match between Chennai and Hyderabad. We are not able to go watch the match on television because we are busy campaigning for Shri Narendra Modi and for the BJP. We are out meeting people. But in spirit we are Chennai. Unlike our opponent who decided to go and buy the Hyderabad team. Who is that? Sri Dayanidhi Maran and his family. So they own the Hyderabad team. So maybe he can sport the Hyderabad t-shirt, but he can never represent Chennai. We can represent Chennai. We wear this t-shirt proudly. And we are here to fight for Chennai and we are here to win for Chennai. And both in IPL and as well as the constituency, we are going to make sure that there is going to be progress, there is going to be development, there is going to be success for us.
Dayanidhi Maran might own the Hyderabad team, but he says he also spiritually loves Chennai, CSK, and he also supports CSK. Why not you trust him?
The claims are a million, okay, but actions need to speak louder than your words. You have only words, no actions. What did you do after becoming an MP of this constituency? How many times have you come around here? How many streets have you visited? Because I've been asking every person who I see, have you seen an MP after election? No one has told me yes. Not a single person has told me yes, I've seen him, he's come and helped me. No, not during the floods, not during the COVID. Though these are the two worst situations a person can be in. They were inhuman conditions people are living in, and he did not bother. And what is the purpose of having an MP like him? So today people are frustrated. Today people are not allowing him to come to several areas. He only drives through main roads and keep going. He cannot come into the lanes.
You have to tell me why CSK is very important for Chennai and why is it for you?
See, the sport has gained so much importance, the IPL format. People